Social literacy changes the way communication might be alive.
It encompasses social literacy refers to the ability to interact and communicate effectively with others, understand social cues and norms, and participate responsibly in social interactions within various contexts. In a world that's more connected than ever, why do so many people still feel misunderstood? Social literacy is the ability to understand, communicate, and connect with others, no matter their background, beliefs, or experiences.
It's about knowing how to listen and how to respond with kindness.
When we understand each other, we break down walls between cultures, generations, and communities. Social literacy helps us resolve conflict, reduce bullying, and create spaces where everyone belongs.
Social literacy isn't a subject, it's a life skill.
I used to think my opinion didn't matter, but now I know my voice is powerful.
I've learned how to disagree without disrespect.
Social literacy changed the way I communicate with my team and my family.
Social literacy starts with small actions, asking questions, being curious, seeing people for who they are, not what we assume. These aren't just words, they are tools for change. The future is socially literate. Let's build it together. One conversation, one classroom, one community at a time. Because understanding each other is how we build a better world.
Social literacy is extremely important. It's the ability to understand and navigate social situations effectively.